Graph the inequality y is greater than 2x minus 2. To graph an inequality, we first want to graph it as if it were a normal equation. So, let's draw our coordinate plane. We have our y-axis and our x-axis. Now, if we were to treat our inequality like a normal equation, we would find values for x, plug them into our equation, and then solve to get values for y. This would give us ordered pairs. Then we would plot these ordered pairs. Here's a few examples of ordered pairs that we could plot. Now, in a normal equation, we would just connect these dots to make a line. But since we're dealing with an inequality, we have to first check to see if our line is going to be a solid line or a dashed line. If our inequality symbol is a greater than or less than symbol, we're going to have a dashed line. If our inequality symbol is a greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, we're going to have a solid line. So, what is our inequality symbol? A greater than symbol. That means that we're going to have a dashed or dotted line. So, we connect our dots as we normally do, but we make a dashed line instead of a solid line. This dashed line means that our boundary line is not included in our solution. Now we need to find our solution. To do that, we're going to shade one of our two half planes, because that's our solution set. So step number 3 is to pick a test point in one of our half planes, plug it into our inequality, and see if it makes a true statement. If it does, we shade the half plane that contains our test point. If it makes a false statement, then we shade the other half plane. So let's pick a test point. Let's pick the point 0, 0, the origin, because it's not on the boundary line and it's very easy to plug into our inequality. When we do that, we have 0 is greater than 2 times 0 minus 2, or 0 is greater than negative 2. Is this a true or a false statement? True. 0 is greater than negative 2. So that means we're going to shade the half plane that contains the point 0, 0. So step number 4 is to shade our half plane. Since the point 0, 0 is right here, we're going to shade the half plane that lies to the left of our boundary line. So now we've graphed our inequality, y is greater than 2x minus 2.